So we're getting ready to start our next set of Title Tuesday classes. These classes are super important, especially if you're brand new to the industry. One of the things we really go over is where are all the free resources. We show you what the top producers already know. And if you're just coming back into the business or you want to take your business to the next level, the classes are perfect for you. So our first set of classes is going to be the Jumpstart program. I show you how to read a property profile. We download some apps where you show you how to use our website. We're just going to show you the things that you're going to use day in and day out. The next class is the farm class, one of my favorite classes to teach. And what we go over first, we show you what the current market numbers are, so you can speak intelligently about the market. And then we show you some of the great apps and programs that Chicago Title has for you in the way of farming. The third class, we go over how to read your prelim. I show you how title works, and it mainly turns into a discussion of what we see day in and day out. What will screw your deal up if you don't pay attention to it. The last class, we finish off with Vacant Land Workshop. I show you how to read your parcel number, I show you how to read your plat maps, I show you the different sorts of maps, and I show you how to find your vacant land out in the middle of nowhere. So look for an email and RSVP, and we'll hope to see you there.